Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Rahman Sohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to connect electrical panel for exterior light wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Double pole MCB circuit breaker, RCCB circuit breaker, contactor, timer, circuit breaker, neutral connection to double pole MCB, phase connection to double pole MCB, neutral connection from double pole MCB to connect RCCB, phase connection from double pole MCB to connect RCCB, phase connection output from RCCB to connect contactor, phase connection from contactor to timer, phase connection between contactor 2 point and coil connection, neutral connection from RCCB circuit breaker to timer, neutral connection to contactor, neutral connection to circuit breaker, coil connection in timer, output connection from contactor coil to connect circuit breaker, another connection from circuit breaker to timer, output connection from contactor for light, earthing connection for load. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.